name is Addie Gunnan of Well Loved Clothing, and today I have a super fun video for you. I have some new pieces, some old pieces, all kinds of crazy ideas, and a ton of Pinterest images that we are going to shop our closets with today. I love this little series, segment, whatever you want to call it. It's so much fun to take inspiration photos of these things that almost seem unattainable and then pull them into your own closet and just go wild and use someone else's images to inspire your own fashion. Using pieces that you love to create outfits that you love. You're so beautifully unique, and so the pieces that you fall in love with are going to be very unique to your style. Even if several people have it, you're going to wear it differently than anyone else does, and that's the most beautiful part of fashion to me, is just having fun and expressing yourself. So if you're shopping for your taste and you love the pieces that you find, then you should wear the pieces that you love. So that's exactly what this is about. Today I have 7 or 8, I think it's 7, I can't even remember, different outfits that we're gonna go through, and I'll talk about what I loved about the outfit, what inspired me, and how I was pulling it into my closet. This is a great way to save some money and find some new ways to style things up by using images, because they're not necessarily ideas that you've had, but you get to use them to inspire what's in your closet already. So you might not have the exact same piece, but you do have a piece that you might love even more than the piece in the picture, because you were obviously drawn to it in a store and obviously you paid for it already. So let's use the pieces that we have or have recently purchased, in my case, because I went a little thrift crazy recently, and used Pinterest to style up some amazing outfits, smushing all those amazing combinations together. So let's get started. Look number 1 is this amazing combination of casual and cute, comfy and elegant, and just everything's so good. So this is the image that we're going after. Just the perfect combo to me. It has the elegance of a trouser, but then the wide leg bagginess makes it a little more casual, and then throwing a t-shirt tied like crazy with it is such a fun idea. And I am such a sucker for a good t-shirt and trouser outfit. It's just exactly what I want to wear all the time. And then is she not just like the coolest girl you've ever seen? I'm like kind of jealous of the vibes that she's putting out. It just looks like she threw on whatever she wanted that day and is killing it. It is so effortlessly chic. So I love this look and I am so excited to try it. So let's do it. Oh yes, I am such a big fan of this one. I tried on a couple of t-shirts with it because I wanted it to be baggier, because I love the look of the trouser with the super baggy shirt. I think that makes it so much cooler. I did have the wide leg fitted waist on this one, and so I loved it. The tie, I tried it, but I couldn't, so I just did what I could do and tied it in a regular kind of ball tie. I am a big earring fan, and so I did my earrings and I went after the big fun. Just an easy, cute, perfect outfit. The natural, cool, put together, but kind of disheveled is just so good. So let's go on to the next one. Look number 2. Holy cow, I'm so excited about this one. It is just the most perfect layering look ever, and it's so much drama. So here is look number 2, and I'm a little nervous to go after this one because it's just a lot, and it's a lot of pieces that I feel like I don't think I have. So I have some ideas for how to accomplish this, but I am just hoping that I do it justice, because this is such a good look. Oh, just the colors and that tank top thing with the bra top and embellishment over it. I just love it so much. It's so chic and elegant and brings me a ton of joy because it's just so many good things smushed into one. So I'm gonna take a ton of stuff out of my closet because this is the ultimate layering look, and hopefully and hopefully do this justice. Let's do it. I am speechless. speechless about this one a little bit. This one turned out way better than I expected. I thought that it was gonna be a train wreck of an outfit, honestly, just with this cool sweater maxi situation, then having a bra top kind of thing over the top, and having all of the good drama of the first outfit. So I think that this one accomplished this outfit so well and so me. I love the mixed textures, and the olive green with the yellow just makes for such a cool combination. This is what's so much fun about using your Pinterest feed to style, because you accomplish these outfits that you would never think of. So I don't think I would ever think to do this situation, and I don't ever want to take this off, but sadly I have to, because more outfits, and hopefully they're as good as this one. So next outfit. We're going back to the simple a little bit with this next one, and it is just this. It is just a perfect little combo of the checked pattern and the colors, and I feel like everybody has some type of piece that can accomplish this look. And I actually had this image too that does sort of the same thing with a different idea, so hopefully these two will kind of inspire you in the same vein of looks. So I don't have these exact pieces, but I do have some pieces that these kind of inspire. I'm gonna take those and see what I can build with this outfit in just this casual, cool girl vibe with a little bit more to it than just that t-shirt and trousers from the first one. So similar idea, but a little bit of a different concept. So let's go after it. I keep wanting to say that these feel like such me looks, and it's so true because they are, because I'm just using stuff that I absolutely love. It's that easy outfit, and I went for a skirt instead of pants because I liked the idea of having a skirt with the shoes, and I thought the silk was a great combo with this canvasy kind of check top. It just gave an extra element to the outfit, so it has that shiny piece and that canvasy piece. This one perfectly accomplishes the rest pants and the checked tan shirt. I mean, it's exactly that color combo. But of course, I pin images that look very similar to the stuff that I already own because I am curating my closet in the way that I want to. So these are pieces and pictures that I love. So sometimes you will have basically exactly the Pinterest image, and that's when it feels really good, because then you can just build your outfit and easy, there you go. Something super me about this outfit is this little shirt that is buttoned all the way up that just feels very much like my style, and I always love to do a full-on button up. So I'm using that little element to add even more of my own personal taste into it and to bring this style even more so into my closet. So I am loving how this piece turned out. Yay for perfect little combos. On to the next one. This is apparently just going to be a plaid-filled day because my next one is also kind of inspired by some plaid. It's my favorite print mixing, it's my favorite color scheme, everything. It just is always in my closet. So this next outfit is this adorable one. I am going after this green one. So just the color combos of the greens and the orange, but then also the wide leg and the plaid. If you do a monochromatic look and then throw a pattern in there with it, I think it's just so fun and so elegant. She just looks ready for anything. I have a couple of pieces that I'm already thinking of, and yes, they are plaid. So let's do it. Oh my goodness, this one turned out so perfectly. The plaid in the pants that I have almost identically matches the kind of plaid in the shirt of the inspo picture. So that sort of sparked my thoughts of using this small plaid and then taking other solids to smush in with that one to create just a really cute outfit. And I am in love with this. Having those two different pops of color, mine's just the pink and the orange rather than the green and the orange like hers. But I think it's interesting how the last outfit picture and this outfit picture are very similar with the plaid shirt and the solid bottoms, but they just evoke an entirely different thought process with their inspiration. So I'm really inspired by the different ways that people can do almost the same outfit with the pieces that they have. I am loving how this one turned out too, and I can't wait to do the next one. Let's do it! Okay, this one is one that I have been wanting to go after for a while, but I had no idea how to do it. And funny thing is, the pieces that I think I'm gonna use, I've had for years. So this is gonna give some new life to some old pieces, and this is the amazing image. Using an evening gown and putting a t-shirt under it with strappy heels is the most amazing thing to me. So this dress is kind of perfect for like a wedding or a gala if I was to ever go to a gala. And I think that it is so cool that she paired it with this t-shirt under it, because then it gives your more fancy pieces a lot of life to actually wear in other situations. And I'm such a big fan of dressing more fancy than you might think you need to, but then throwing like a turtleneck underneath it in the winter and some boots mellows out the two together and makes just such a cool look. Oh, I love it. So I am finally going to attack this outfit and see if I can accomplish it. So let's see what I come up with. Cute is this one? So much embellishment and beading on it. So I immediately thought of this dress when I saw that yellow dress. This blue color is just plain gorgeous. I color blocked it with a yellow t-shirt and just tossed that under it, tied the back. Some gray sandals, great earrings, and all of these pieces together just made it even more casual and wearable. So I am loving getting to wear all of my beaded glory, crazy embellishment on this dress. Let's keep going to the next outfit. Super awkward moment where after filming the whole thing and getting into editing, I realized that I never actually filmed the in-between beginning thing for this next outfit, but it's such a good outfit that I still want to show you. So here's the inspiration pics for it. Just kind of a cool trousery, very cool girl look. I love these vibes, so we're gonna go after it. Goodness, who would have thought that a little sports bra and some trousers would be such a statement outfit? This is gonna be like my new summer uniform. I would have never thought to put a sports bra with pants, but I am really loving it. I think the colors are perfect with the olive and the purple. I love the high neck of the sports bra. Paired it with these funky earrings to just give another pop of color. And then you cannot go wrong with a lime green bag, and it feels like such good color blocking. I honestly feel like this outfit might be too cool for me. It might be, but we are wearing this baby and I am loving it. So I was really inspired just by the coolness and the color combos of this outfit. So took my trousers and my little sports bra here, tossed on some bunny earrings, and this is just a great little summer outfit. So let's keep going. Last but not least for today is this. I have no really words for it. No really words. Sure, let's talk that way. I have no words for it really, and it's just cool and a little weird in the best way possible. Such a cool look. We're gonna try it. This is our last outfit. We're gonna go all out. Let's go. This one is so funky and so crazy. Oh my gosh, I feel really whimsical, but it makes me so happy. I love this little Peter Pan collar kind of poking out of the top. It's still very breezy and breathable. And I didn't have any trouser shorts, but I did have these white denim shorts, so still accomplishing that same look while adding some color and some fun and joy to this. I did some gold jewelry to add a little bit more of the yellow element to this outfit, and then also threw on some yellow shoes because why not? I am loving this pop of color. Jumping in and just doing those crazy outfit pieces are so much fun. So I was just really inspired by the all white and the sweater vest and the very summery yet still textured look. I think we did a great job of accomplishing this baby. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to get into your closet and just find those pieces that you either haven't worn in a while or absolutely love and just want to find new ways to wear them, and then just take your inspiration from the beautiful world around you and make it uniquely your own. Subscribe to my channel, let me know which outfit is your absolute favorite, and I will see you next week. You are well loved. Bye!